What's up, guys? The Redneck Mechanic. This is my bike check. So let me just grab it here. My bike. Fedral Jared Washington for Zane. Well, let me just set it down over here. Alright, so we got a Fedral Bikes, Washington signature frame. It's got the integrated seat post clamp there, and then I got the blue ODI long neck grips, purple animal bar ends. And then I got a Fit Sky High bars in chrome. Got the S&M Bikes redneck stem. I got a little bolt compression cap for the better. See, I got a Kink bike headset, FSA headset spacer in blue, and then just a little spacer up there to add some more space here. I got an animal bottom bracket in purple. And then I got a Kink Sean Sexton fat pivotal seat, Odyssey trail mix pedals. I got they're just my stock forks off my Fit. They're just Fit chromoly forks. And then I got stock Fit forks, but I think I'm gonna keep them. I kind of actually like them. Over here, we got un KMC cool chain and an Eastern Medusa sprocket. And then in the front, the tire, it's the same tire off a Barbie bike. Right here, it's a Weinman front rim. It's a stock front rim, but it's not off my bike, so it's not stock to me. And got my tree stick peg still. And then in the back, got a Primo V Monster tire. Like I said, I found it in my backyard, put it on. I just got a Alex rim. It's just laced up to a stock hub. Nothing special. It's not special or anything. Just a stock hub. So yeah, that's the Redneck Mechanic's new bike check. It's a Fedral Jared Washington signature frame, 21-inch tube on it, le taupe, and that's what's up. So later, YouTube.